going on, everybody? So I'm gonna try to do the weekly vlogging again for as long as it lasts. This week, a lot of mowing, mulching. I do what I can with this stuff. It's very hard. I got a few things broken right now, so I'm all over the place. Long hours, not just working. You know, people don't understand that. But try to get you guys some footage. A couple weeks out from Memorial Day weekend, which is a big weekend for us. All your high-end stuff needs to be done by then. Commercial stuff we're working on this week, so I'll get what footage I can, guys. But I do know in the next 2 weeks, our 2026 mowing video comes out, our setup, and our landscaping setup, and our commercial property setup. So we got a few things coming out. It's just getting harder to get the weekly vlogs out, but do what I can. All right, guys, stay tuned. What's going on, everybody? A lot of small mulch jobs today. Mowing's going on, everything else in between. Some days I'll do some mulching by myself if it's small, a yard or two, weeding, bang a bunch of those out a day, small properties, and have everyone else mow. It all depends on the weather of the week, how things are going, but stay tuned. I'll have some footage for you guys here for this week.
Thank you.